Howdy. We're here at the double Anvil. We've got a little less than 15 minutes until the end of the race. However, there's Miss Erin. She has been racing now for almost 36 hours. 35 hours, 45 minutes. We are getting close to the finish line. It has been a battle. But you know what? She has killed it. What do you want to say, babe?
Thank you all for all the love and support from home. It's greatly appreciated. And I definitely have to thank Jeremy and Dave and Robin for being by my side through this at the race event and pulling me through some very difficult times so I could have this finished. Because of you guys, I finished.
Nope.
Nope.
It's all you, babe.
You did the work.
All of the work.
Huge heart. Huge heart. Alright. Y'all ready for the cool part? Alright, this is where it gets fun.
The sweet smell of finish.
Never doubt. I know how tough you are.
You married to him.
Almost.
That's tough right there.
They're talking shit about me now. You hear this? What? What? Are you guys gonna run in with us?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Oh, we picked up some company. Uh-oh. She's running away from us. That's not very nice. Here she comes. Almost there.
I don't really know.
Jeremy, do I have to cross the timing mat?
Nope. You just gotta walk
Down
to the finish line.
Bing, bing.
Oh, that thing already did go off.
Knock that little Anvil
We
thing.
still have 15 minutes. Yep.
I know.
Yes.
Cutting it close.
She's got 10 minutes. She better hurry her ass up. Don't tell her I said that. Not that she listens to me anyway. Alright. I'm gonna change camera angles because this is the really cool part. Okay, here we go. Alright. So now you get to see what Erin's getting ready to see. Yeah, I know. It's like the Blair Witch. Almost there, Erin. Let's go. Sherry, quit talking shit. Not very nice. Oh, this is the cool part. We're almost there.
Hell yeah.
Come on, you're almost there.
Woohoo!
Way to go. Way. Awesome. Great job.
on over here to my office. And we got a special hammer for you. No, not this one.
This is your special hammer.
This is what everybody else is using. This is the one that you bought.
Yeah.
Here, hold the hammer side. So we'll see the USA. Jeremy,
Yes, sir.
come on in here, sir.
That's epic right here.
We'll get you in here while she get a quick one and she hits it.
There you go.
And we'll let you hit it twice. Because that solidifies this hammer for you to take home.
Thank you.
We found if you hit it here, it rings much louder than hitting it here. But either way.
And if you go in here, you'll actually have to do the double again. So you probably want to make sure we hear it.
Hit it hard. Hey, let's get the rest of the crew in here.
Give me your name. Give me your name.
Here, hold on a second. Yeah, hold the hammer.
Put your other arm up.
There you go.
I'm sorry. She's fragile.
Smile. Stop bending it.
Awesome.
All right.
Do it, girl.
Awesome
Good
job.
job.
Here, I'll hold your hammer so you don't drop it. That'd be very bad.
Oh yeah, ouch.
I'm never letting this go. It's a. I'm probably gonna start sleeping with it. Yeah, it's gonna be in the bed.
Sorry, Jeremy.
Hey, you won't shed like a dog. Or,
I'm glad you didn't say me.
yeah.
Are you just happy to see me, or is that a hammer in your pocket?
Yeah. No.
Good job, babe. Great job. No, good job.
Just three.
Thank you guys so much.
Say bye.
Thank you, everybody. Bye.